Yeah, your boy Aaron Brunner. I just feel like singing a song. I don't know what I'm gonna sing, but it's gonna be a good song. Sorry about that. Here we go. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. If I was your man, girl, girl, I'm so tired of things. I just wanna settle down. I swear to you, I changed, baby. I ain't bugging now. I know that I put you to hell. You deserve to be with someone else, but I gotta be straight up, straight. Just wanna kiss and make up, make ooh, and I do a lot of things. How could you throw that away? Oh, you were the part of me. Can't believe you let it rain. Tell me why you won't let him go. You can stay, but you won't. But I know. Baby, no more lie, no. Keep it real this time. Help me understand what I'm saying and get it through. Why I can't be a man when I give up doing for you? Gonna do the best I can, but forever is what I do. If I was your man, if I was your man. If I was your man, got rid of everything that I knew was hurting you. My heart's a little string, can't battle for the two. No one else in the way. I'm just gonna make sure that you stay. Baby, no more lie, no, I'ma keep it like this time. You understand what I'm saying? You, why can't be a man when I give up doing for you? Gonna do the best I can, but if forever is what I do. If I was your man, if I was your man, if I was your man, without you anymore, really know what you're crying for. Still never more. That's where you need to be. I can't live without you anymore. You know what you're crying for, crying for. Still never more. Oh, yeah, you need to be. Oh, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. If I was your man, if I was your man, help me understand what I'm saying. I can't throw my game in a man. When I give up the world for you, gonna do the best I can. But if forever is what I'll do, if I was your man, I was your man. So help me understand I was young. Na 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 na. Oh yeah, if I was your man, girl. What else song I forget? Oh, I'm gonna just. Please don't go. Please don't go. Oh, she found the numbers had in my car. Oh, she wanted let me know this song. Oh, I'm waiting over to plead my case. Oh, so it's me, standing down with my face. Tell us to me why, how can we always do it wrong, do it wrong? How can we can't keep it home? Oh no, no, I know it is like this. Even though we know this, it ain't worth telling a lie. It ain't worth seeing you cry. It ain't worth. That's why I'm right here and you please don't go. It ain't worth feeling alone. It ain't worth being alone. That you please don't go back. Please don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go. I'm done. It's your boy Aaron Browner. I just sing a little bit of songs for y'all. I have more, but I'm tired. But my name is Aaron Browner. Y'all can hit me up on Facebook or MySpace or Twitter. It don't matter. Oh yeah, add my music page because I gospel rap too. So add my music page.